This is a little bit later today. This is December 19th. This is still the blizzard of 2009. And looking at the snow on my table and grill, it's got to be close to probably 18-20 inches already. My corgi is under the table where it didn't get much snow, but you can see that the snow is higher than he is. So they're not very big dogs, but we got a lot of snow. I think that I've been living here since in Northern Virginia since 1986. I believe this is the most snow I've seen in one snowfall. Tiny! Say hi to the camera, Tiny! Hey, Tiny, there you go. I think he's eating snow.